Hello friends, today excited to show you this 2019 Ford F150 XLT crew cab, four-wheel drive with the 5.5 foot pickup bed. This unit is equipped with the 5.0 liter V8 gas engine. It's automatic transmission. It is the 10-speed automatic. Here's your four-wheel drive control here. Your Pro trailer backup assist there. Controllers, USB ports. This unit has 69,535 miles. Though it is low miles, actually had a motor replacement about 500 miles ago. So that was a motor from Ford, new motor from Ford. So it's got to January 2026 on the warranty with that engine. Does have tilt wheel cruise control, does have the 4G Wi-Fi with a hotspot modem feature to it. Power plug there. 6 seat belts here in the crew cab. Little console, this folds up. You got more seating there. Yeah, 10-speed automatic. It does have the rear view backup camera, large screen there. Does have the smartphone connectivity. A lot of nice features here. Show you the rest of the truck. Clean body. Does have the aluminum wheels all the way around there. Backup sensors, tow receiver. Here's where your backup camera is there. Trail X bed liner. Hand cooked tires. But if you think this 2019 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive crew cab might work for you or your business, or you have any questions about it, just contact us here at Pruitt Truck Sales or visit our website, pruittstrucksales.com. Be happy to talk to you about this one. You guys have a great day. Thank you.